Ever feel like you're spending more time fixing bugs than writing new code? In today's fast-paced development world, many of us are using AI coding assistants to boost productivity. But what if that same AI is introducing hidden risks and errors into your projects? That's where CodeSpy.ai comes in. This innovative tool helps you identify AI-generated code, allowing you to pinpoint and address potential issues before they become major headaches. Think of it as your intelligent QA assistant, designed to save you time and improve code quality. You might be wondering, what's wrong with AI code? Well, a recent award-winning study from the Tandon School of Engineering at NYU highlights some serious risks associated with AI-generated code, particularly from tools like GitHub's Copilot. This research shows that AI code can be outdated, leading to compatibility issues or missed optimizations, prone to errors causing memory malfunctions, which can lead to crashes and security vulnerabilities. And sometimes it even tries to connect to databases that no longer exist, causing unexpected failures. While AI is fantastic for accelerating development, these findings prove that identifying AI-generated code means you'll find mistakes more quickly, and fixing bugs is definitely a job for human coders. Let's see CodeSpy.ai in action. You can access this innovative tool by searching for CodeSpy.ai in your browser. After logging in, you will see a clean interface like this. To scan your code, click on New AI Scan. CodeSpy.ai works with popular languages like Java, C#, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and C++. I will select Java since I've got two Java code snippets here. One was generated by AI and the other was written by a human. First, here's our AI-generated Java code. I am going to copy it, then paste it here, then click Analyze. As you can see, CodeSpy.ai quickly and accurately pinpoints the AI-generated parts of the code. It took 1 second to analyze the code and suggests that 98% was written by AI. Let's click on the report for more details. All these highlighted lines represent code written by AI. When we scroll down here, code in red indicates that it's 100% AI written. The one in orange shows that it's less AI, but more likely AI written. And the one in black is not likely to be written by an AI model. Now let me paste this human-written code, then click Analyze. As you can see, CodeSpy has analyzed this code, and from this report, it suggests that 98% is human-written. When I open the report to see more details, you can see there is literally no AI-written code detected. It doesn't rewrite or fix mistakes. Its strength is in detection. This means you, the human expert, can go directly to the areas most likely to contain those pesky AI-introduced bugs and fix them efficiently. So who is CodeSpy.ai for? Let's look at its pricing plans. The Consultant Plan. For small software consulting businesses, 1 to 4 people. If you're using coding assistants, CodeSpy.ai is a game changer. You'll quickly spot and QA buggy code before sending it to clients. This means fewer revisions, more time saved, more contracts, and stellar reviews. Plus, given the growing concerns and potential litigation around AI code, being able to identify it up front is becoming a crucial safeguard. Many large firms are starting to add clauses about AI code usage in contracts with subcontractors, so staying ahead is key. For medium-sized businesses, up to 50 people, instead of hiring a massive dev team, you can leverage engineering managers to oversee larger teams of independent developers. These teams can boost efficiency with AI and CodeSpy. AI helps with accountability and issue resolution during the QA cycle. By identifying the AI-generated parts of the code, you're directly targeting where most bugs are likely to originate, streamlining your debugging process. Enterprise. You can contact them for businesses larger than 50 people. They also have a free plan, meaning anyone can try this tool out. You get 3 AI scans per month. Ready to ship better code faster and with more confidence? Use CodeSpy.ai today by clicking the link in the description. It's time to take control of your code base. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of secure and efficient coding. See you next time.